I'm Jennifer and I'm so glad you're here because today I'm going to be doing my Easter decorating. I am super excited about it and I can't wait to get started. I've already gathered up all of my Easter decor and I have it ready to start putting around my house. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Everything is here and ready, and now all I have to do is clean my spaces. I'm going to get some dusting and wipe everything down, and then I'll get putting everything into place. Most of these things are new and I haven't had these before to decorate with them for Easter, but today I'll get to put them all together and see what I come up with for my Easter displays. I'll start with the easy things first. I really like these super soft gray and white little bunny towels. I'll put this little banner with little white bunnies up on my fireplace. I have some little hooks along my fireplace and this is where I hang garlands. I always label every package that I want to keep, that way I know what to put back in them. I love putting these felt pads on the bottom of everything so that in that way nothing scratches. I just start going around and gathering everything up and putting it into place. I can always go back and move it later. I think pink tulips will be so nice in my kitchen for Easter. To go along with my pink theme, I'm going to use these beautiful little plates that I got at Michael's this year. I purchased inexpensive picture frames on Amazon, and I'm going to put some beautiful Easter pictures in these frames. I printed pictures off of the internet, and now I'm just going to trace around the mat and cut the picture to size. It only takes a couple of minutes to make your very own artwork for any holiday. And just that easy, I have two beautiful Easter pictures. I have this buffet table in the breakfast area of my kitchen, and I want to put things in this area that all have a yellow theme. I'm going to give this large bunny some yellow tulips for his basket. I have this really nice white cake stand that I made in a previous video. I'll put it right in the center, and I'll add this beautiful yellow Easter cottage. On this side of the buffet, I'm going to add the beautiful Easter rabbit picture that I just framed. I move these two items around so that we don't see the back of the photo frame, and now I have one more coordinating rabbit to add to this side of the buffet table. This side table in my breakfast area was the perfect place for this large arrangement of hydrangeas. Now we're back in the dining room. If it seems like we're jumping around from one place to another, we actually are. It's because I love to put all of my decorations out and then go pick them up one at a time and just start placing them as I go. These large rabbits are the perfect thing to anchor each side of the buffet. I just keep moving right along, taking one piece of decor after another and taking it to the spot where I think it should go. My friend Lisa made this beautiful wreath for me a couple of years ago. It's so cute. I just came back and added this garland of yellow flowers around this bunny. This way it looks like he's sitting in a flower garden. Now I've gathered up a collection of blue things and I'm back in my dining room. I have this stand in the corner of my dining room and I'm going to add all of my blue decorations to this. Purchased this beautiful little glass bunny candy dish at Kohl's. It's a replica of one I had when I was a child. This little duck can go on the side table in my breakfast area, right beside the large pot of hydrangeas. Now I'm onto this table in my front entryway. I always love to add some sort of a greenery or a floral element to this space. My sweet husband Alan bought this beautiful tray for me at Michael's. I just love it. I have a little grouping I'm going to put together here, including this wooden church. In front of the church, I'm going to add these adorable little lambs. Off to the side, I'm just going to add this beautiful little tomb with a couple of little trees. Of course, the rock that was rolled away. I love adding smaller items to taller tables. This way they don't get lost on a low surface. I have one more item to add to this table. This is a special little white bunny that my kids brought home from the daycare when they were little. We've had it all of these years. I have these adorable little sweet treat bunny cupcakes that I just got this year at Home Goods. I'm going to set these out here in the kitchen as well. For my dining room table, I'm going to use this beautiful green and white tablecloth. I added pink and white flowers with 2 playful little bunnies. This is the perfect place for this adorable little yellow chick. I have this beautiful wire gardening cage and I'm going to place all of these beautiful Easter eggs inside. I have the perfect spot for this right in my breakfast area on the buffet. This really nice vase that I just bought at Target in the dollar spot. I'm going to add little carrots all the way around, and then I'll add these beautiful tulips. On my center island, I added this beautiful large woven tray with 2 little white terracotta bunnies. These bunnies are from the Walmart My Texas Home collection. And then I included the flower vase with the little carrots and the beautiful white tulips. These beautiful tulips will go on the other side of my buffet. A couple of natural rabbits will finish off this buffet. Now on into my living room, I place this really large rabbit right here with this coordinating plot of greenery. I'll place this picture of tulips right here beside this bunny. It coordinates so nicely with the woven basket designs. I'm keeping everything so simple in my living room. I've added these 2 concrete pots with some wildflowers, and I'm going to just place a big white rabbit right in the front. On this side table in my living room, I'm going to add this beautiful mother lamb with the little baby. The side table in my living room was the perfect place to add this sheep photo that I framed earlier, and these 2 beautiful bunnies that look like they're carved out of wood. I recently purchased these at Michael's. I've added this beautiful green and white ribbon to coordinate with the green and white tablecloth. I also added ribbons to these little bunnies and velvet carrots. I just purchased this set of 3 beautiful bunnies at Marshall's. They're just adorable and they're so cute with a little white tail on the back. Let's take a look back at everything we did to decorate my home for Easter. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Happy Easter.